A solid sphere is rotating freely about its symmetry axis in free space. The radius of the sphere is increased, keeping its mass same. Which of the following physical quantities will remain constant for the sphere? Its rotational kinetic energy will change as it depends upon the radius of the sphere. Moment of inertia will also change as the center of gravity will be different due to the change in radius, and angular velocity, that is I omega, will also change. Therefore, the only quantity which will remain constant is angular momentum, as it will not change until and unless there is an external force applied on it. As no external torque is acting on the sphere, therefore the angular momentum of the sphere will remain constant. So, in order to answer our question, the correct answer would be part 4, angular momentum. Answer is part 4.